Hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine. Guys, there is a pond and it is very clean pond. Okay? And in at the tree and that is a tree. This is a tree, this is a tree, this is a tree, that is a tree and this is a tree and this is a tree. So guys, there are many trees you can see. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel for watching entertainment, vlogging and etc video. Guys, today the weather is very cool and there is no sunshine. There is a cloudy day and you can see there is a bird. The bird is flying and enjoying the weather, guys, and there is a man riding the bicycle, you can see. Okay guys, so guys, please subscribe my channel and you can see the tree, the nature, the village video, village life, and this is a way. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. In this my video I will learn you English, but before I learn English, then after I will teach you. Okay guys, so please subscribe my channel and in some time, after some time, I will reveal my face. Okay guys, so please subscribe my channel, share my video. Thank you so much.